Today, we're making a turkey brine that will add amazing flavor and juiciness to your bird. We've already got 8 cups of water heating up, so let's take a look at our ingredients. You're going to need 16 cups of water, 3/4 cup kosher salt, 2/3 cup white sugar, 2 heads of garlic, smashed and peeled, 1 tablespoon of whole black peppercorns, 1/4 cup of dried basil, 1/4 cup of dried sage, and 1 large bay leaf. Now, let's add each of our ingredients to the pot. Give everything a good stir, and then bring the brine to a boil. Once it's boiling, reduce the heat and let it simmer covered for about 5 minutes to help all those flavors come together. Now it's time to cool the brine. Add the remaining 8 cups of ice-cold water to the brine. This will help bring it down to room temperature. It's very important to never pour hot or warm water onto your bird, as it could cause a serious bacteria situation that you don't want. If your brine is still warm, wait and let it cool to room temperature. Now it's time to brine our turkey. Place the turkey in a large, non-reactive container. If you're unsure about the container, you can grab a food-grade brine bucket online or at your local store. Pour the cooled brine over the turkey, ensuring it's fully submerged. If needed, use a plate to keep it down. If you have a brine bucket, it should come with a plate that will lock it in place. Cover and refrigerate for 12 hours to let the brine work its magic. Once the brining is complete, remove the turkey, rinse it under cold water, and pat it dry. Your turkey is now perfectly brined and ready to cook, packed with flavor and juiciness. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe and want to see more tips for perfecting your barbecue and cooking skills, don't forget to give us a like and hit that subscribe button. We've got plenty more recipes, techniques, and barbecue inspiration coming your way. See you next time, and happy cooking!